Hello and welcome back. So today will be like the part 2 of the maintenance. Uh, the in the last video we changed the interior filter and what did we change? And the spark plugs, yeah. So now we have a brand new oil filter, an injector cleaner, a fuel filter, power steering, brake fluid and motor oil. Right now the engine is running very poorly because there is no oil. The first thing, I think we can start with this. It's 200 milliliters, and I'm going to put in 100. We're putting in this injector cleaner because the car was running from the previous owner. The previous owner was in a whole year. He rode the car 2,000 kilometers, and the car, I think, didn't even get a chance to warm up. And when we bought the car, it was like running on 3 cylinders. So I hope this will help the injectors. And also from the previous owner, the oil wasn't topped off, so we ended up putting a little bit in. So the next thing to change is the brake fluid. So as you can see, it says .4 and we have .4. So I'm going to because I can't bleed the brakes, it's too risky. I'm going to suck up from here, pull some this, pour in some new ones, and after some driving, do it again. So I have taken as much as I can from the container. This isn't the best way to do it or the proper way. You need to bleed the whole system from the calipers, but it will be a lot better. So here's the before and after. So they have used a bit of beating. It's not really bad. It still has the color. But yeah, now I'm going to put it in. And yeah. I filled it up. I think I filled a little bit too much, so that's max, and it's around there, but I think it'll be fine. So you can see, oh, that's quite a lot. Yeah, but I could always put some more in and take some out. And yeah, now the brake fluid is a little bit newer, and we can go and fill up the power steering. And as you can see, it's quite empty, so that's strange. Let's fill that up. There was some fluid left, but I took it out. Look at how dirty it is. It's pitch black. I don't think that's the color it should be. Let's find out. So the new fluid is dark, but it is like red. It, it smells like not like like really the black oil, and so I don't know if there's like a bleed valve for this, but there's this tube. It goes and it goes, and then it connects there somewhere. Maybe that's where I could bleed it, like drain it all out. No, let me check. This one. Well, it's gonna be better, and I have 1 liter of it, and so I have to fill it up till there. Okay. So here's the old one, and here's the new one mixed with the old one. I didn't get a clean sample, so yeah, there's some color, as you can see. I overfilled it a little bit, but I took some off. It should be okay. Okay, then that's done. I probably should pump the brakes a little bit and turn the steering wheel. Maybe not on the grass, it will ruin the grass. So yeah, those two things are done. Very nice. Right, so it's a new location. It's my garage. So now we need to change the oil filter and the oil. And unfortunately, I will not be able to film under the car because it's really cramped. But yeah. It's really black. Really black. Ooh, damn. Oil is all gone. I managed to get the filter off, but the the plug, it was really tight. The filter wasn't. And yeah, I'm just going to wait for some minutes. And yeah, oil filter going in. Alright, so there is no oil leaks. I tied, I finished. No, there's no oil leaks. Everything is checked. As you can see, it's right. Yeah, it's perfect. It's not full and it's not empty. It's almost full. So that is oil change done. And the next thing is the fuel filter. So let's do that. This is the final part of the maintenance. It's a fuel filter and it goes under the car there. So I think the first step is to get the car secured and up in the air. So now our car is in the air. The front wheels are hopefully not gonna move, and we have double supports plus the jack. Ignore the rust and the crunchiness, but we are here to change this little thing. So let's do that. So I put the the new fuel filter in, and it is quite simple. You undo it from there and there. You just clip it out. You remove this pipe. Yeah, I will not try it now. You move it to the side. That gives enough clearance for it to go down. And then I was a little bit blind. I thought there was only one button, but there's on both sides, and that's why it's a little bit like pushed in. I hope it is making a good connection. But yeah, when it's dropped out, you just think. Some fuel does come out. I didn't depressurize the here. It wasn't pressured, and yeah, and there was definitely someone here before me, because for the fuel filter, the plastic, it was bent, so I had to unbend it, and that's basically we were driving with the fuel filter on only one clip, and the same with this brake line. The brake line was all the way from the both clips disconnected, and I reconnected. And yeah, that's actually really good. Here's the old one. As you can see, there is some fuel. There is some fuel. I'm going to cut it open for you. And yeah, it was dribbling all the time when I just unclipped it. So really good to have a towel down under this pan. Let's unsaw it and see what's in here. So we cut it open. There's a big hole in the middle. So I think it goes through this pipe, goes in the middle, and no, it goes through the pipe, then from the middle to the outwards, and then it continues something like that. Oh no. Oh yeah, so okay, so it comes like this in, and then okay, and they are darker because they are soaked in gas. I don't see anything in them, so that could mean that we have a clean fuel tank. Because if you remember, when we bought the car, there was no fuel cap, so everything could just go in, and it could clog up this one. But it looks healthy, so let's throw it out. With that, the Fiesta has got its long needed maintenance. It was really cool video to film. I learned a lot, especially from the fuel filter and a little bit from the oil. But yeah, thanks for watching, and see you next time. Subscribe. Bye.